When I look back, boy, it must have been green. Popping in the country. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I'm going to show you a level 2 educational video on a trade I just did on ONVO that's happening right now. Playing it through 645 for what I call a mini Heinz break through 650, all taught in MOJO University. Let me show you this. So here's ONVO. It's 632 by 635, and it's right now at 1:47 p.m. and 43 seconds. And there's the signals I got right here in the level 2. If you don't see it, it's there. You should come trade with Mojo, and I'll show you where these signals are and how you can make money by trading off the level 2. The signal's right here. It's the biggest number in the level 2. It's right there at 204. So I'm going to buy 33, 34, 35, 36. I'll even buy that 37. And now it's 35 by 36, bidding and buying, buying here, lemon squeezing the 37 right there. It's 636 by 637. The 204 has gone to 159. Now it's 35 by 36, and what's happening is right now someone's undercutting the ask, which is a trader foolishly. It's bats right here, shorting the stock as Mojo's buying. So now as I show you part 2, here's the stock live, 639 by 41. So right now at 153.54, the stock's 37 by 37. This is called a cross market. It's very bullish. The people that had shorted it at 36 and low are going to get caught now in what's called a short squeeze through the high of 639. And remember, Mojo's long and had already bought 10,000 shares. Stock traded 2.8 million, no problem. Here's 37 by 39. Buyers won that tug of war at the cross market at 37. Now it's looking for the move to 650. 639 by 40. If it goes through the 40, could start to sell some of the block, half of it through 40, and then reevaluate at 50. And here's the stock, 642 by 645, right at the high, according to all those signals. And that's how it works, by reading the level 2 and watching where the stock was going to go at 635. Now it's at 645. Currently live at 640 by 42. It's going to go through the 45. There's your signals, the 41. And it's going to go right to the 50 and go through that. Listen down the street, look for an answer, try and find a sign. Until I saw you sitting like honey, I was blind. You said, get back, honky cat. There you go, honky cat. In ONVO, I like TLM right here at 480. Easy move back to 490. It's traded 52 million shares. I just did that trade a couple of minutes ago. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going to fill some longs on TLM right here and tweeting it out to everybody on Twitter at 470, 79, 78, and 77 on the break under 80. So everyone's going to be getting filled right here buying it. Then when it flows back up, they'll start to sell it. So this is live and this is filling right here, 76, 75, 77, filling it all in there, no problem. Let's get right back to the ONVO at 642 by 43. There's your signal at 45. 4,500 shares at 43. Go through 45. We see a break right to 50. It's 2:08 in the afternoon right now and 51 seconds. TLM completely filled, 477, 76, and 75. Going to add more either at 81 or 72. If I buy at 72, it only has to go back to 76, 77 for me to make money and break even. So either way it goes, I got its ticket. And here's ONVO going to break through this high as we're doing this live video. Better get back to the woods, but I quit those days and my redneck ways and Change is always good, folks. Yo, check this out. See this STO dump right here? This is why I'm buying TLM on the 5-minute. See it touched STO? That's the stochastic. So it's a 0% dump. It's one of the MOJO trade plays. I scale in on that, and then when it rises up right here, it's like taking the chairlift up. See that? Ooh, take that chairlift up to the top. Get off right there at that line. Get on your snowboard, hop up on that rail, and ride that rail until it goes down. Same thing here, ride it up, boop, 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 until it crosses. Same thing here, I'm going to ride that thing up right now. I'm on the chairlift, it's taking me up right now. I'm going to get off at top right here. I'm going to ride that rail as long as it does. I'm going to sell it right there. And that should be around 84, 85, 86. So we'll see how that plays out. Very nice. Oh, this is about to make a big bust. Everyone that's shorted at 36 knows it's not going down. Right at the high at 45, it's going to make a big break right now. Gotta like that. PBR, I'm in that at 7, 16, 17, and 18. Been tweeting that on Twitter for the last half hour. Going to sell that in the mid-20s easily. All in this live video for everybody to see. People trying to short against Mojo picks, trying to drink whiskey from a bottle of wine. It just doesn't happen, folks. Why do that? Every time I put out a tweet, you're going to go bet against me. I have a 98, 99% win rate. You're going to lose. There it is again, going through 645. Another signal right there, bullish. If you were short, you'd be cringing right now. There it goes. Why would this guy be at 44 on the American Stock Exchange if he wasn't short up the gazoo and needed a whole bunch of shares? He wouldn't be at 44. He'd be lower, hanging with his buddies down at 41, 42, 39, because that's where it just came from, low of 582. You kidding me? They're all short. It's going to go right up. So right here, here's ONVO, just as I told you, riding above the rail on the board until it breaks STO. It's right at the line right now. It peaks above 45. It'll keep it above there. Otherwise, it'll break down, and that'll be the end of it. It looks really like it's going through the 45. I'll pause the video for a second right now. Here's the 45. I don't have to pause it. Bing. There it goes. 45. Reestablishes the line right back up. So it was on the snowboard, if you look right here. Took that board up. Did a 360 off this rail right here. Came down. Shot it up again. I'm in the air doing another backflip and 360, making money and laughing at everybody because I know how to board. I know how to trade. That's how you do it. Look, 644 by 46. See the signal at 104 at 49? Don't go nowhere. It's going to go through that by the time we're done with this vid. Fools at home, they don't know how to trade. Pro Trader Mike, making it happen. Yeah, I don't know how to sing, but I know how to trade. I'm a good golfer, good poker player. TLM 80, get me to 85. Show everybody how we make money. Signal, it's coming up. Get me up to the 80% on the STO. PBR, chilling. Get me up over 80% on STO. Here we go. Watching ONVO very carefully for the breakdown through STO right here. Selling into the rally right now. So this is what you'd like to do, is sell half of your position here. And then if it goes through 49.50, at least you have the other half. If it goes down, you own it at 35, you buy it back. That's how it works. Pro Trader Mike's going to be signing off on this part of ONVO and regrouping with some other situations that I'll show you about in the near-term future. Wishing everybody the best holiday season coming up. MOJO Day Trading website is right here. You can look at the results for the click results. You got 2 tabs, one for day trading, one for swing trading. Check out the results. These are the total trades for the year, 95% on 3,000 trades. So that's nothing that can be hidden or faked. So it is all true, real deal in the room. Have over 70 pro traders every day that are in the room. I would suggest go to Mojo University right here. The next class is January 6th in 24 days. Prices have been raised to $1,500 for the class. It's well worth it. And all these Mojo Day traders, just scroll down here on the bottom and read these heartfelt testimonials of traders that have taken the class. And they're all in the room currently. So if you'd like to check it out, Major even thinks it's a good deal. He loves it. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Tell him, Mage.